एनजी के बारे में पता कैसे चला?
Jitesh ke through, he told me कि you and him used to work together. Then he told me कि this would be the route to go. मैंने कहा okay. Then I enrolled for it. Jitesh was good for it. Yeah.
Any idea about networking before? पहले कभी सुना था this networking and all?
हाँ, I had a little bit of idea. I did CCNA का during my college time. तो वो starting से था. हाँ.
So when you came to the NG, हमने बताया कि यहाँ कोई CCNA, CCNP नहीं, we will start from the basic to the advanced.
हाँ.
तो कैसा sound करा वो उस time पे?
I mean, see, I did not know until till the time I did not put the kind of efforts that was requested, and later I realized the reason why that kind of efforts were necessary. So that was quite an eye opener for me. Yeah.
So when you entered here, when you came for the counseling sessions or whatever the things they started, so what first thing comes to your mind when we explain each and everything कि यार ऐसे guarantee होगी तुम्हारी placement करा देंगे? You already having the reference, तो मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा doubt था.
right.
क्योंकि you have been referred. तो लेकिन फिर भी जब सुना तो क्या लगा process को सुन के?
I mean, I felt that confidence because not just from the session itself. I mean, overall, I heard it from quite a few people that this is something that you can go with, and it gives you the assurance of getting a job. And that was a time when I wanted to make a shift in my career. That was a major move for me. So I had to compromise on money and put it onto the knowledge. So that will be fruitful in the long term. Yeah.
The best example, Gaurav, you're already working in a good company at a good package. What makes you feel that you should change to the IT? Because a lot of people are there in the market, they're having the same thing. They're working, they're stuck with a particular level because you have expenses, you have that certain back of the mind that yeah, abhi to chal rahi hai, abhi everything.
Chal rahi hai, right. And it's just a lot of compromises that it's a sort of a fear that you have. What if? And what if the question mark that comes after what if plays a very big role? And I mean, the success lies beyond it. I'll be honest. It's a little bit of struggle. Initial 8-9 months, I was struggling financially, but eventually I knew that if I'll stick to this route, it will bring me something fruitful. So that's what's happening today.
So what do you think if you did not decide to come to the NG, where you are right now?
Well, I would have been stagnant with a job, same monotonous job, same things. Just working every month, earning every month, and it would have been not, until unless you do not develop your mind, it gives you, it becomes stagnant. There is nothing going on in life except for parties over the weekend or having fun out with friends, those sort of things. Yeah.
So how can you make the difference? Matlab, you are the right person who can actually tell us the difference kya hai if you're working in the BPO tech support with a good package initially level, but no future, and the profile that you're working right now with everything in front of you that yes, this is how I can grow. So usme difference, what exactly the difference is? Dekha kya?
The major difference I would say is the learning curve, right? With a BPO or tech support, you have a same script, same things, keeps on repeating every day. But with this profile or with any other profile, post networking, I would say it brings you another opportunity to learn something new, which opens up new doors for you, and it keeps your mind, active in terms of learning or getting those opportunities, grabbing those opportunities, upskilling yourself. So that was a major difference. Otherwise, it would have been the same stagnant line, and that wouldn't have been fruitful and long term, going down 10 years. There was no bright future that I could see ahead. And right now that has changed drastically. I can see things myself doing that. Probably I'll go for a CCIE or other certificates from Fortinet or other appliances, other organizations. A CISSP that I'm looking forward to. I would not have been able to achieve those or could have thought of doing those if I would have stuck to the same organization or the same job profile. Yeah. So that was quite... And again, I mean, if you take such a step and it gives you the results, you have that confidence in you that the next thing that you are looking forward to, you can do it. So that's it.
Right. Actually, I really appreciate the way you actually shifted, because as you said that you have to make a few of the months, you have to compromise with the financial condition and a lot of things because you're already earning somewhere. But you have strong will कि यार चलो trust किया, let's go for him. आपने जैसे भी you came, you studied.
Right.
एक बड़ा डिसीजन था. How about the training feedback कैसा रहा हमारे साथ?
So I'll be honest, training it was precise. It was very elaborate in terms of if you have any questions, you can ask as many times as you like. Hands-on experience on the device, different devices, right? That was very eye-opener, and along with the regular assessments, those were the critical ones that sets a benchmark for you, like what stage are you at, right? So the every I guess few weeks we used to have an assessment. We used to get score out of 10 or 20. If this is what I'm scoring, you'll be moved on to the next step. Else you'll have to make sure that you are at the level so you can be hop on to the next one. So that was something I would say stick to it, because that helped a lot of students, I believe.
What about the real-time training?
Real-time training, I mean, coming from an organization where I haven't had an experience of working with IT industry and giving me insight, it's still being used to, because I do not have any experience. The tools that were introduced to me, what are the nomenclature that have been used throughout the industries, other various aspects of it, how the incidents work, how everything else works. When you show an organization that you know the knowledge, you should actually know the knowledge, and that's where you get most out of the real-time trainings that we get.
That's perfect. So, Gaurav, what is the overall feedback like by joining, by getting placed? So, what is the?
I would say,
where did you get placed and what package?
so post my training, I got placed with Capgemini for about package of 8.5 lakhs. And if you talk about currently, I'm working with BT. Within a 2 years of span, I'm sitting at a package of pretty close to 20 lakh a month, 20 lakh a year.
That's quite amazing.
Yeah, so it's just that you need to put in the efforts, and you just need to make sure that you put in the efforts and believe in that you can do it. You just need to make sure you work ethic. That's what matters.
So what do you suggest your juniors, those are taking the classes here? What do you suggest them?
I would say just take out the time. It's get inspirations from people such as yourself and other people who have been a part of NG Network. They will those are the people who will make you believe that you also can do it. And it's just that every day it's something that you have to put in efforts. You got to believe it. That's it. There's no other way going about it. You just need to put in the hard work.
That's amazing. What is the bottom line feedback for the NG Networks like?
I mean, I would say it's pretty amazing. I'll be honest, because giving the hands-on experience on the devices, along with the real-time situations, how things work, getting knowledge from the people who are actually working in the industry, that's pretty helpful.
That's great. That's amazing, Gaurav. Seriously, it was nice talking to you. Bahut maja aaya on a frank note.
Same.
Sharing all this thing.